In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect boards in Monday and then add a mirror column, which will allow you to easily preview data from the connected board. Let's begin with understanding how the Connect Boards column works. The Connect Boards column allows you to create a link between the items on different boards. For example, I am currently on a board containing projects. If I add a Connect Boards column here and link it to a board containing clients, I will be able to assign specific clients to each of my projects. Okay, so let's now connect two boards. To do this, click on the plus sign Add Column and choose Connect Boards. If you don't see the Connect Boards option, click More Columns and select Connect Boards from there. This will add a Connect Boards column to the board and a pop-up window will appear. If you don't see this pop-up window, hover over the column name, click on the three-dot icon, go to Settings and Customize. Once the pop-up window is visible, click Select Boards. A window will appear with a list of your boards, where you can choose which boards to connect. Each board's name is displayed along with the name of the workspace where it is located. You can quickly search for a board by entering its name here. In this example, we want to connect the client's one board, so let's select it. Notice that we have the option to create a two-way connection. To illustrate how a two-way connection works, we will first connect the boards without this option, and then I will create a connection with a two-way option enabled. For now, leave the Create a Two-Way Connection option unchecked and click Connect Boards. Monday informs us about the possibility of adding a mirror column, but for now, we will skip this step. So we have our Connect Boards column. We can now assign a client or multiple clients to a project and remove previously assigned clients. If we click on the item name, we can view the client's data and also edit this data. The changes will be reflected on the board where the contact is located. Similarly, if we change something on the client's one board and then view contact information using our column on the project board, we will see updated client information. By clicking on the three dots and going to Settings and Customize, we have the option Allow Linking to Multiple Items. It is currently checked, meaning that in this case, I can connect several contacts to a project. If we uncheck this option, we can only connect one contact to a project. Let's get back to the two-way connection issue. Currently, our connection between boards operates in such a way that on the projects board, there is a Connect Boards column with clients, while on the client's one board, there is no information about which projects are connected to which clients. Let's see how this will work after we choose two-way connection. Let's add a Connect Boards column again, but this time, let's select the Create a Two-Way Connection option. Just like before, you can connect clients to specific projects. But this time, when we go to the client's one board, we'll see a newly connected Link to Projects column, which shows to which project each contact is linked. Now you can add connections between specific projects and clients on both boards. You can also edit the data of individual contacts from the project board, as well as the data of individual projects from the contacts board. Another useful feature is connecting additional boards to the Connect Boards column. To connect more boards, click on the three-dot icon. Then go to Settings, Customize, and click Connect More Boards. Choose the boards you want to connect and click Connect Boards. This column is set as a two-way connection, so a new column containing information about the connection will appear in the newly connected board. Now, with the projects board connected to two boards, we can assign to a given project specific clients from both Clients 1 and Clients 2 boards. In this drop-down menu, we can choose the board from which we want to assign clients. Now that we know how the connections between boards work, let's move on to the mirror column. The mirror column is a type of column that allows for the display and editing of data from connected boards. For instance, inside our projects board, we can link a client to a project using the Connect Boards column. Then display the client's phone number in a mirror column right next to it. To do this, click on the plus sign Add Column. Click on More Columns and choose Mirror Column. This will add a mirror column to your board and a pop-up window will appear. If you don't see this pop-up window, hover over to the column name, click on the three-dot icon, go to Settings, and Customize. Once the pop-up window is visible, click Connect. Here, we choose from which Connect Boards column the mirror column should pull data. In this case, I will choose the only Connect Boards column I have on this board, which is the Clients column. Now we can choose which information we want to mirror from the connected boards. As you can see, we can choose to display data from client-related columns, as well as information about the group or board to which the client belongs. Notice that in this case, we previously connected our Connect Boards column to two boards, Clients 1 and Clients 2, so we can choose which column to use from each of these two boards. Also notice that we can only choose columns of the same type. If we choose a text type column named company from the client's 1 board, we can only select a text type column from the client's 2 board. In this case, either the column named company or the column named industry. If we want to display data from other types of columns, for example the status column, we need to create a new mirror column. If we select 2 clients with filled phone numbers, our mirror column with phone numbers will display both numbers. To find out which number belongs to which client, we can click here to view a list that displays which data belongs to which client. There's another method to add a mirror column. You can directly add a mirror column from the Connect Boards column. To do this, hover over the Connect Boards column name, click the 3-dot icon, go to Settings, then Customize, and click Add a Mirror Column. This way, the mirror column is automatically configured to pull data from the Connect Boards column from which it was added. Just like in the previous method, you can set which data the mirror column should display. It's worth mentioning that you can also use the mirror column to edit data. If you change something within the mirror column, that change is also reflected in the original item. If something changes in the original item, the data will also be automatically updated in the mirror column. Okay, before we finish, we've got something for you. If you are a new user of Monday and not yet fully familiar with all of its features and the platform as a whole, I encourage you to watch our Monday Beginner's Guide. It's a free video guide in which we go through the essential elements and features on Monday.com. It will give you a general idea of what you can do with Monday and how to set up and use your Monday account. To get our Monday Beginner's Guide, click on the link in the description of this video, and it will direct you to our website where you can access the guide for free.